What's up, everybody? Back with another video. Went and got the truck back yesterday, so yeah, we did a video yesterday of downtown Port Clinton. So I don't know if anybody else is in the construction business or anything else like that or watching my channel. If you're over here in the United States and you're going through Lowe's, it is definitely a good time right now. Not knocking anybody. I'm glad everybody's getting back to work. But there's so many new people. They're just messing stuff up left and right. Okay. They're just messing stuff up left and right. So my order, I have one half of my order was in Fremont. On the way to the job site, stopped and picked that up. The boss calls me up, tells me, hey, the other half of the order is in Sandusky. Oh, okay, great. Well, sort of need that other half to complete the job. So, guess what, guys? We're going to take you guys to Sandusky with us this time. So, I figured, why not? Going over there anyways. Show everybody the view. Show everybody Cedar Point, Causeway, and how to get over that way and stuff. Right now, we are on Lakeside Marblehead. It's a big tourist attraction down here, too, guys, so... This one's probably going to be somewhat kind of a long video, but we're going to make it happen, Cap. Get over there nice and safely and get her done. Porsche. Little Carrera. I don't mind doing some of these videos, guys, because of the fact you never know what you're going to see. Some of you guys might see something you've always wanted to see and never knew where it was at until you watch my video. I'll start that pulling out in front of me stuff for I know the fastest, closest way to shoot over there that way, wasting so much time with that. You're gonna love these tours, buddy.
Big boat.
Huh?
Big boat.
You can pan back and forth a little bit, just don't hold out that side. Like yesterday, it just went by way too quick. But like I said, when you do videos, sorry guys, I'm trying to teach her how to do the camera stuff, so, but I gotta let her learn on her own too, let her see the videos of how it works. So, as she's seen it yesterday, she's seen some of the stuff that she's not gonna do again. So, some stuff was just a little too fast going by.
So if it's a little shaky, I apologize.
But afterwards, like I said, if you go back and watch the video an hour after it's posted, it's way clearer. I don't know why it takes so long for YouTube to get the HD down and everything else. If the process is already done for them, you know, going through the video, make sure it's okay to be up. I don't know why it takes that long for the HD to kick in, but it does. So if you watch the video as soon as it goes up, guys, you're not getting the best quality. And sorry, there's really nothing I can do about that. I'm just waiting on you. You got to wait on YouTube to post it in HD, and once they go up in HD, they're crystal clear. You can actually see more of the video. I don't know why it's like that, but it is what it is. Just gotta roll with the flow.
I looked in there for those candies too. They didn't have them either.
In the good old Chevy Silverado, I miss my truck for sure. Was getting brakes and everything else done. You have to have a special bleeder tool to get to the brakes on these ones, the way they got them set up now for the new one. So she's a 96, but she's got a lot of new stuff in her. I got the Flowmaster and everything else to put on, just got to get to it. Just haven't had time right now, guys. We've just been doing too many other jobs. From Idaho. Famous potatoes. You don't gotta look at me like that. I'm supposed to be here. It's not my fault you're having a bad day after you spend thousands of dollars to be here. Trust me, I live here. This is the only part that I really don't like. Summertime, there's just so many people. half of them not even paying attention. They're just going, thinking they're the only ones on the road, and next thing you know, you're getting rear-ended. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you. Well, my bad, I was on the road with you.
They're on the phone.
Some of them just think other people are just supposed to get out of their way or whatever else. My entitlement goes just as far as my insurance goes. That's full coverage, so it really don't matter. I'm not trying to get in no accident, but if it happens, it happens. You can ask my girl here, I'm not capping, I'm not lying at all. I know how to drive, and I've saved numerous of us from getting in accidents and everything else from wild, crazy people. Growing up over here and I'm putting bay and stuff, you learn how to drive real quick when it comes to people not just paying attention to anything. How you doing? Be coming up on the water here before long, guys. Please don't skip no ads, don't skip ahead. Please watch the full video. Never know what you're going to miss. They're throwing a lot of new stuff around here. Oh, that's where, what's it called, move to? Okay, sign. Fresh cut grass. Huh? Yeah, I'll put it up a little bit for you.
Hopefully it's not so.
Yeah, I'll put mine up a little bit too. That way it's not so windy on it. Coming through. Hot coffee.
Our beaches.
Hope everybody's having a good, blessed day. Good old Friday. Hope everybody has a good, safe weekend. That is for sure. $4.49. Come on, gas prices keep dropping.
Tomorrow you should do one for Wednesday.
They looked at that helicopter. It's a military helicopter. That's what that is. I just seen it coming out of the corner of my eye. Yeah, that's military. Yep, that sure is. What are they doing?
Probably just checking it out.
Well, you want to know something? They might have a boat out here in the water that's in distress. Because they're going awfully slow and they're hovering in that water. Right there's the lake. What they're over top of right now is the lake.
They're going down.
Yeah, they're probably searching then. Somebody got in there. Of course you would. I don't like doing that, man. I hate doing that. We're gonna head on East 2 towards Sandusky, obviously Cleveland area. I don't know what they're doing, but they're definitely dropping. Yeah, that's a military helicopter. I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, they're going down. What is going on over there?
Unless they're landing over here somewhere.
Well, they're landing, that's for sure, because they're going way down. Either that, they got something going on over there, which I'd imagine. Military ain't just going to be out just for no reason.
No, I know they do have a lot of, like, not fireworks, but a lot of chicken barbecues and stuff like that going on.
Yeah. Alright, we have to get on her a little bit, only 10 cars. Alrighty guys, Sandusky Bay Bridge coming up. So, when we get out here, babe, on the bridge, get out here on the bridge in the middle a little bit, go ahead and pan to your left, over this way. Not yet, you can do it right now, it's alright. But you'll be able to see Cedar Point in the background over here, guys. If I get this trailer out of my way. going to be right out here, but wait a minute till we get a little bit past these trees right here,
Okay.
and then you'll be able to see it. It's right there. See it? You can see the rides? One sticking in the air, the roller coasters. You can see them sticking up out here. So we get up here, once we get up here a little bit, you'll be able to see way better because we'll be up higher. But there's another bridge I was telling you about. That comes out. See it? Flat. Alrighty, babe, right there it is. Straight out in front of me.
I'm
Straight
going
out
way
the
too
side
fast.
of me. Hold on, keep looking over there, guys. 1 second. Hold it, see if you can hold it up above that wall a little bit. But if you look right out there, guys, you can see the tops of the roller coasters and stuff. They put these barriers up, so it's kind of hard to see. Maybe we'll do it on the way back too.
Okay.
Yeah, you can pan out there. Come on. Have a look at that. There it is, babe. Look. Right there, you can see them. See how the roller coaster is sticking up?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see them now. See them?
Yeah.
Yeah, Cedar Point right there. Right out there in the background, you can see all the roller coasters sticking up.
I just like facing this way because I can see like quite a bit. And I love the view. It's all bouncy though.
Yep. Nice out though. At least the humidity is not crazy like it was yesterday. Yesterday was hot. Bayview and Castelia, huh? Yes, sir. Nice boats. Very nice boats. Miss America Highway? Oh, yeah? I wonder when they changed the name. I like that. There used to be some state trooper's name. It's a nice little pond. I bet there's good fishing in there.
Mm-hmm.
There's some big boys in there.
And we're off.
You gotta get the speed limit. You get ran over by these people. Look. Cedar Point.
The nursery.
They're gonna be more busier than this, especially for being a Friday.
Although it is only 11.
Well, usually a lot of these people are already on their way up here or whatever. You see the Clinton Bay traffic already starting to pick up on the other side, heading back towards Toledo and Fort Clinton.
Margaritaville. Their food is amazing.
Mm-hmm. You got Toffs and everything else right off this exit too. The
Yeah.
main factory. You're off on that exit right there, guys. Be careful. There's a state trooper post that sits right down the street to your left. That's what we're gonna do. I can't get over, so you're gonna have to yield for me because I'm not yielding for you. Thank you. What did they say about a bike ride?
I don't know. Wasn't paying attention.
Must have a bunch of motorcycles coming through.
Well, it is almost August, so they get that really big run, the motorcycle run coming through.
They have the rally up the rock not so long ago. So
Yeah.
That's a big bike week thing at Foot Bay.
All these dang bakery trucks
I knew
and
you were going to say something.
Gosh.
Say something.
just walked into a dang store and yeah.
Sandusky's got a lot more stuff than what it used to. I wish they would have took out Sports City though. Sports City was dope.
What is that?
Sports City is remember that place that we see in the water hole, whatever?
Yeah.
It was way bigger than that. They actually had go-karts and stuff. If you didn't have a license, you couldn't drive them. That's how fast they were. Ooh. You know what that is? Fresh blacktop. Somebody's pouring fresh blacktop somewhere. There ain't no construction going on out here. Sandusky or Cyrus. Here on. I think Cleveland's not that far away. It's only 63 miles. That ain't shit. Ah, there it is. Fresh coal. Asphalt coal. What's this guy doing? What's he doing with the rat rod, bro? He's gonna pull over in the center, huh? Well, that's one way to catch the grass on fire. Just saying.
Dairy services.
Yeah, because now you can take the Jet Express to Cleveland. Or you can take the jet from Cleveland to Foot Bay now.
Ah.
Georgia. Georgia. Stay on your side of the road or half a line yours too. It's cool. I'm indecisive sometimes too, so it's alright.
You are very indecisive. Indecisive sometimes. Steak and shake.
Shake and bake?
Steak and shake.
Oh, okay.
That is yummy.
I thought she was trying to use her Ricky Bobby on. I'm like, listen, we ain't getting no speeding tickets.
No. Ooh,
man.
Cracker Barrel.
Yes. It's a good place to eat too.
See, now I wasn't hungry at all until I started seeing all of it.
Just stop going. Just gonna slow all the way down. Alrighty, that's not a good idea. Got maple syrup? I don't know. Got a gas pedal?
Zero tolerance.
Oh yeah, don't play around up here about that. It's a big money maker. Like I said, it's a tourist attraction. Yes.
Right.
Here, you got to figure everybody that lives here, you include law enforcement, all that. This is the time they make all their money. It's in the
See
winter.
what-
It's in the
I'm
winter.
even.
Go ahead.
Sorry, I'm even seeing clouds that look like McDonald's signs.
No. Yeah, they make most of their money there, pretty much all their money, in the summertime off the tourists.
Charter steel.
And everybody is not up here like this in the wintertime.
Ooh, Sandusky Mall. Kalahari. Cedar Point next, right? That's where Kalahari is, isn't it? In Great Wolf Lodge.
Yeah.
Over by Cedar Point.
That's not my Cedar Point.
Well,
It's on the main call, but it's
Right.
way right up here. But it's not too far from it. Kalahari's down that way further.
right.
Ohio Veterans Home. Yes, sir. Slide in behind this truck.
Ghostly Manor.
Know what's here?
But
Sandusky and Norwalk exit. If you go down a couple more exits, is the drag strip.
oh,
Yeah, Norwalk Raceway Park.
yeah. What's Ghostly Manor?
I'm not sure.
Said it Thrill something.
Yeah, it's probably some new tourist attraction they have. It's like over here, you got the water slides. Look over this way. You got the water slides coming out of the side of the hotel.
Maui Sands.
Yep. You gonna show them or?
I already did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Say, you gonna put that over there?
Is that it? Yep, that's how business is. They got boards. Oh, it is. Cedar Boy. Fireworks.
Show that sign right there. You'll always see that sign when you come
Shores
in.
and islands.
Yep. You always see that when you come in. That fireworks store right there has been there since I've been a kid. It's been there forever. Same with that. Ooh, look at Speedway 408. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Right off the highway.
wow.
Damn. You know they're raking it in. I'd imagine. What? What's the matter?
Does that look like it's blinking to you?
What? Sign?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. On the camera, it will. You're
Okay.
recording it. But it won't when you look at it again.
Okay.
Through the video.
And here we go.
Oh shit, I didn't see that car. You almost got ran over. Come on, lady. You back there messing around.
Sonic.
Yes. Fine. Will you calm down with the fat kid things? Jesus.
Oh, it's 408.
Yeah, this
The
place.
Harley store.
This place is way, way bigger than what it used to be. Yeah, what's it called? It used to be back here. Sports City. Used to be back right there where that Golden Corral and stuff is. Used to be
Yeah.
back in that area.
There's
That
a Harley shop.
Yeah, that Harley shop's been there forever. That thing is monster. Welcome to Sandusky, guys. Welcome to Sandusky. This is the strip right here. And there's where I need to be. Alrighty, guys. When we leave out of this way, we're gonna we'll head that way and go back up through, so I ain't got to deal with so much of the traffic and everything else. And we'll show you guys a different way. So until then, see you guys in the next one. We're out.